Hey learners, welcome back. Today's topic is all about control. We are talking about how roles in Lighthouse ERP not only control what users can access, but also how tasks move across departments. A. How roles control access. In Lighthouse ERP, access is managed through role-based access control. Every role is mapped to specific modules like sales, HR, or finance, and within those permissions are further refined. For example, a sales executive can only create and view sales orders. A sales manager can approve those orders and access full sales data. An HR staff member might update employee records but not see payroll. The finance head can view reports and approve high-value payments. This system ensures the principle of least privilege. Users only see what they need to do their jobs. You can also apply location or division-based restrictions. So someone in the Nagpur branch may only access Nagpur-related data, ensuring security and relevance. B. How roles control workflows. Roles also guide how tasks move across teams. Let's take a purchase workflow as an example. The store executive raises a purchase requisition. The purchase officer converts it to a purchase order. A manager approves it. Finally, finance processes the payment. This creates a clear, structured approval flow. No confusion, no overlap. In some cases, workflows are even conditional. For example, if an expense exceeds Rs 50,000, it may automatically route to the CFO instead of the manager. Users also receive alerts for any approvals pending in their name, if their role includes approval rights. And the best part, every step is logged with a timestamp and role, ensuring traceability and audit compliance. So students, roles in Lighthouse ERP do much more than limit access. They define responsibility, automate handoffs, and bring complete transparency to your business processes. In the next video, we'll explore the dashboard layout, where all these role-based tools and alerts come together just for you. So stay tuned to dive into the next chapter. Like, follow, and subscribe to Lighthouse Alchemy, and feel free to comment with any workflow questions you'd like us to cover.